Hi everyone, my name is Amzad. Today I will be teaching you how to solve 3x3 Rubik's Cube using an easy method. The only thing you have to remind just one formula sequence. After watching this video you will be able to solve the cube and teach others as well. Before we going to solve a Rubik's Cube, let's explore some basics for 3x3 Rubik's Cube. This is a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. This cube has 6 sides each with different color. These sides are relative to each other. For example, no matter how much I make shuffling, the yellow side is always opposite to the white. The 3x3 contains 3 layers, layer 1 and 2 and 3. The basis for our solving method is to visualize the cube as a puzzle with 3 layers. Now let's take the cube apart and check out the components of the puzzle. You can notice the first type of piece is called the center piece. Centers have 1 sticker. There are 6 centers. The color of the center tells you what color the entire side should be. The second type of piece is called the edge piece. Edge have 2 stickers. Edges go between 2 centers. For example, this blue and red edge fit between blue and red centers. The third type of piece is called the corner piece. Corner piece have 3 stickers. Corners fit between 3 centers. For example, this blue, red and white corner fit between blue, red and white. Each piece is unique on the cube. There will be only one of each piece. Some pieces are not possible, like green, blue edge, white, yellow, blue corner. That's about the background info. Now let's talk about the cube notations and how it moves. Each side can be rotate clockwise or counterclockwise. You can make a single move or even a double turn. These moves on a cube can be denoted with cube notations, which begins with a letter. The letters we use here are R, L, U, D, F, B. R denotes clockwise and R prime denotes counterclockwise. Similarly, L denotes clockwise and helpline denotes counterclockwise. U denotes clockwise and U prime denotes counterclockwise. D denotes clockwise and D prime denotes counterclockwise. F denotes clockwise and F prime denotes counterclockwise. B denotes clockwise and B prime denotes counterclockwise. Let's try a notation exercise. Try doing the following moves. R, U, R prime, U prime. Right face once clockwise, upper face once clockwise, right face once counterclockwise, upper face once counterclockwise. Repeat this string of moves 5 more times, 6 times on total. It turns the cube into its original state. At this point we may know that how the puzzle works, basic rules of it, and how